Happy Vlogmas day 4. Today I decided to do a voiceover. And yeah, we got straight right into it. I started with some glute bridges and it was low-key kind of heavy, but we made sure we got that done.
Dang, I hope y'all can see me because I can't see y'all. I'm scared to get mic'd up because I don't want people to think that I'm talking to myself. Being fueled by Bang today. Go ahead and sponsor me. I'll let y'all know now. As soon as somebody come in here, I'm finna stop talking. Look at that light. Look at that lighting. Right now I'm listening to Wouldn't Get, y'all can't see that. Wouldn't Get Far, The Game featuring Kanye West. I really only like it because Kanye West on there. So, it's a decent song though.
Y'all, so right after my workout I came home and made me a little smoothie, and y'all, this was actually low-key bomb. I do feel like it's better if you put it into a bowl, hence why it's called an acai something bowl. But it was just very, I don't know, it still was good, but I definitely feel like I should have just made it into a bowl instead. So after I had my delicious smoothie, I decided to take a shower and show y'all my little skincare routine because that's what y'all gonna get. I went in with the Good Molecules for my toner. And yeah, she does what she's supposed to do. I kind of like using her more at night. A little dance break, little dance break, little dance break. But I definitely want to tell y'all about the Balancing Herbal Toner by Tree Active. That is bomb, like bomb. Y'all need to get that if y'all don't. And it's kind of cheap. I ain't finna lie to y'all. I do love their moisturizer. It's definitely giving slug. It has my skin feeling so good. Just wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Boom. Look at that. Skin feeling like butter.
Angel on the track.